Stromanthe sanguinea, commonly called Stromanthe, is an upright rhizomatous perennial that typically grows to 5 feet tall and 3 feet wide outdoors, but to a more modest 2 to 3 feet tall when grown indoors as a houseplant. It is native to rainforests in Brazil. Lanceolate to elliptical oblong, dark olive green leaves have red undersides. Leaves appear in a basal clump along branching stems. This is a prayer plant family member whose leaves fold together at night in a manner reminiscent of praying hands. Leaf folding has the added attraction of showing off the red leaf undersides. Tiny white flowers with orange-red sepals and showy cherry-red bracts bloom in panicles in winter and spring. Best grown in fertile, moist, but well-drained soils in light or dapple shade. Performs well with morning sun and afternoon shade. Foliage will usually burn in direct sun, particularly in hot summer months. Houseplants may be taken outdoors to protected locations in summer and part sun to nearly full shade. Houseplants should be brought indoors in fall when temperatures dip to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Stromanthe can be grown with similar plants, especially ones that require high humidity, because they can benefit together. Some plants that are excellent partners include bougainvillea, gardenia, bush lily, fern, bird of paradise, croton, and bromeliads. Stromanthes are non-toxic, safe for cats, dogs, and humans.